In this video, we'll be reviewing how to register a third-party exam using Honorlock and Canvas. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is go to your dashboard. And before you can do anything, you are going to need to make sure that you have Honorlock enabled for your course. If you do not have Honorlock enabled for your course, then you will need to do that, and we have a separate video with instructions on how to do that. But assuming that you do have Honorlock enabled, then you can just click on this Honorlock tab on the left-hand panel. And then that's going to take you to Honorlock. Next, you're going to click these three lines that are here and register third-party exam. And from here, this is where things get a little tricky, and you need to be very, very careful whenever you're doing these things. So you're going to name your exam, but it is very important that you name the exam to match the name of the exam that your third party has named it. So for instance, if you are using Alex and Alex has it named MS 100 exam 1, then you're going to want that labeled the exact same way. Additionally, you will need the exam start date and the exam end date to be the exact same as your settings in Alex, your settings in My Math Lab, whatever your settings are. But whatever the settings are within that, make sure that the name, the start date is exactly the same, and the end date is exactly the same. Additionally, it is optional for you to include a link here, but it is definitely recommended for you to do so. Make sure that you include the HTTPS portion of that, because if you do not, then it will not work. And if you have a password that you would like to put on that for students, here would be the place. And then additionally, these are the settings that you may want to maneuver for this exam. And then once you are finished, you can click create here, and that will enable your third-party exam using Honorlock.